I've been selling clothes on Poshmark for about 6 months, and nothing gives me a bigger dopamine rush than finding a ridiculously good thrift haul. I have always loved unique clothes and cozy home decor, so naturally I created a whole separate Instagram called Echowood Finds just to enable myself. I am not a morning person. Under normal circumstances, asking me to be awake before 8 is pretty optimistic, but tell me there's a fill a bag rummage sale, I will launch myself out of the front door to attend. This trip was especially dangerous for my trunk space. I was making trip after trip to my car with bags stacked to my eyeballs. Look at how happy I am. And the best part, for all of this, it was $18. Of course, the thrill lasts until I get home, and then begins the less than glamorous side of reselling. Washing mountains of clothes, measuring things. I photograph in batches in big marathon sessions and then post a few new listings every day. It keeps my closet active without me having to stage a photo shoot every single afternoon. My goal is to eventually sell everything through my own website and build a little community around finding cozy, unique pieces. But while I'm learning the mysteries of shipping costs, packaging supplies, and all the other logistics, Poshmark has been a great place to start. They handle a lot of the complicated stuff, and I get to take advantage of the built-in traffic, so that's what I'm doing for now. If you guys have any sort of reselling advice, please let me know in the comments. Okay, it's in my pocket. I wanted to have just like a really cozy, like kind of chill, girly day this morning, so I went and got some Starbucks, and I got that like s'mores blended drink. Ooh, is that good? Ooh, Dorothy, don't eat that. Dorothy, no. Dorothy. And then I got like a little breakfast sandwich, and then I got a chocolate croissant. That was really good. And then I went to HomeGoods later in the morning. Of course, I was only going to get a couple things. Did not stick to my list at all. I have mixed feelings about places like HomeGoods, the mass production of it all. Okay, but if they like make it really cute, like what am I supposed to do with that? So anyway, here are some things that I got. I always overlook the like food section, which don't do that. The end caps usually always have like really good things on clearance, and so yeah, they did a really good job. What is it? Bala total body wellness. These little like hydration packets that you put in your water just makes it a little easier to drink enough water. So I was excited to try that. I really like Earl Grey tea, and like look at how cute this canister is. Look at how cute this packaging is. And if you know anything about me, I'm a sucker for good packaging. So, okay, I needed to get a birthday present, and these are like really, really good quality coasters. Like they're super heavy. Yeah, they were only like, they're $7.99 for 4. I know, Dorothy, I was impressed too. Thank you. But I'll probably give that away as a gift. Coasters are just kind of a nice generic gift for when you don't know what to get someone. People have to drink things. People have to stay hydrated, especially in these warm conditions we're experiencing. You know, let's not ruin our wood surfaces. Okay, kind of kitchen adjacent items. This is another clearance item. Golly Nutrition. Now You See Me. Are we partnering with that Now You See Me movie franchise? This is, I know. Recharge Energy Plus gummies. The first time I ever had this brand, they had a ton of them at the Dollar Tree a couple years ago, but then they were like at Target for like $20 and $30 after that, and so it was like such a steal. I got this on clearance for $6.50, so I don't think that was too bad. And I do have a problem with like staying energized and feeling tired throughout the day, so I'm hoping that this does the job. So we'll see. These I think I'm also gonna gift. These little, yes, okay. Caramel sea salt cookies. I mean, Who's not gonna like that? This. I saw this and I thought, pasta has no right to be this beautiful. Look at that pasta. Look at those colors. Dorothy, look at the colors. It's so beautiful. These are $5.99. I love pasta. Is it probably just food coloring? I don't know. I don't care. It's so pretty. Okay. I'm not a big fan of like ugly hand soap containers. I do like most of the scents of like Bath and Body Works. I feel like they're a little overpriced. And yes, I know I can wait till like they go on sale, but I've been hearing really good things about Sand and Fog brand. And also they had a bunch of like fall scents out. I mean, I like summer. When you're in the Midwest, after a while, we kind of take summers for granted. Winters are just miserable. And so I hate to complain about summer, but I will. But I really, really love the fall season. 60 and 70 degrees is like my happy place, and I love fall scents. And even though it's not even August yet, I've been really, like, I really just want to wear sweaters and like brown boots and stuff. But anyway, so I've also been hearing a lot of really good things about the Sand and Fog brand itself, and I was thinking it was like a luxury brand, but it's like very affordable. And I got this this cute little, like, look at that packaging, and it's Sand and Fog pumpkin and clove inspired on the California coast, which is perfect because I just got back from California like a week ago. I miss it. I'm really excited. I bought 2 of them. Now I'm kind of wishing I would have bought 3 because I have my kitchen and I have 2 bathrooms. So one of those places is gonna be a little sad. It's so cute. I love when things like hand soap come with directions. Like, here's how to wash your hands. Dispense a single pump into damp hands. Lather, then rinse thoroughly. That's just nice. I mean, I'm sure there are people who don't know how to wash their hands. I can't smell it, it's plastic. Okay, I know. And this one's even prettier. Look at that. I like pretty ones that you can like refill with whatever like generic scented. And this one's called Falling Leaves. And it's got like a little engraved leaf on it. This is also Sand and Fog. No instructions on the back of this one though. The actual reason that I went in there, Dorothy, don't like that. I have been drinking a lot more like iced coffee lately, and I really don't have a good tumbler to put the iced coffee into. I thought I was gonna pick up something that was like a little bit more tinted, kind of like an amber glass color, and then called like the lines like fluting or like ribbing. They were shockingly low on tumblers. This was not at all what I thought I was gonna get. I got this. And there were a lot of like really little tumblers that were like half the size, and I'm like, the child size? And I'm not normally like a very cutesy kind of person, but this was cute. So yeah, I'm excited for that. And then, you know, because I have been looking forward to fall, this was in the vicinity, and I was like, oh crap. Oh, it's got the ribbing, and it has pink little ghosts on it. Look at that pink little ghosty. Dorothy, look at the pink little ghosty. Isn't that cute? So I'm like, well, do I need 2 tumblers? But yes, I do. Okay. So yeah, I think that's everything, but oh my god. I know. It was more money than I was intending on spending, but I had a bunch of cash saved up in my wallet, and you know, like, girl math, that's free money. It's like, why not spend it at HomeGoods? I think I'm gonna go make an iced coffee. So I'll probably bring you along. started just absolutely losing her mind, barking at me because I was lightly choking on a cheese curd. And I just thought to myself, is that not like the most Midwestern way to go? Of work to get done, but my house is an absolute disaster zone right now, so I am going to tackle that stuff first because I know I won't be productive at all. So yeah. Kitchen, dining room, living room are pretty clean. I'm doing a good job on my water. Now I have my office and my bathrooms I really need to tackle.